All right, today's the day. I feel like I can actually get my challenge completed. 5 minutes, one subject. I'm going to do a bunny and I'm going to do it in 5 minutes on black watercolor paper. Pause this video now. Comment down below if you think I'm going to make it. But let's get started. I'll show you what we're going to paint. Okay, here's the bad news. Didn't quite make 5 minutes. But the good news is I think this is super cute and I'm really happy with it. Guys, I would love to do this again. I really, really, really want to get it down to 5 minutes. So if you have an idea of what I should paint, please let me know, because what you can paint on black watercolor is sometimes a little bit tricky to come up with the ideas. So if you've got any ideas, put them down below. I would love some extra inspiration. I'm going to do it next time. I'm going to get it down to 5 minutes. Bye.